In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video into Webflow, a process that we can complete in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Webflow or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you seamlessly incorporate video content into your website. It's worth noting that while Webflow does support video uploads, these are mainly for background videos with a file size limit of 30 MB. So today we'll be focusing primarily on embedding video using URLs. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Webflow account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so, but assuming you're ready to go, enter your credentials and you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all of your Webflow projects, and it's from here that we'll dive into updating your site. Once you're on the dashboard, look through your existing projects and locate the specific project you want to add a video to. Click on it to open and edit the project. This will take you to the Webflow Designer, where you have full control over the layout and content of your website. Next, to add a video to your project, you need to place a video element on your canvas. To do this, look for the plus icon, also known as the Add Elements panel. Once you've found it, click and drag the video element you see there directly onto your canvas. This is where the magic starts to happen. You're setting the stage for your video right on your website page. An alternative and faster way to find the video element is by using the Quick Find feature. If you're working on a Mac, you can open Quick Find by pressing Command+E. On a Windows machine, you'll use Control+E. When the Quick Find bar appears, type in Video Element. Once you see it, select it to quickly add it to your canvas. Now that the video element is ready on your canvas, it's time to connect it to your actual video content. In the video element properties, you'll see a field where you can paste the URL of your video. This could be a link from a video hosting service like YouTube or Vimeo. Simply copy the URL of your desired video and paste it in. You also have the option to include a title for your video if you wish. This is useful for search engines and accessibility. After pasting your URL and adding a title, hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Now, you should see the thumbnail of your video appear within the element. And that's it. You have successfully embedded a video into your Webflow project. This straightforward approach allows you to add dynamic content to your site, enhancing user engagement and delivering a richer experience for your audience. Enjoy customizing your site and showcasing your videos.